and engross yourselves in more positive things. So, yung pag-abalahin ng mga bagay na hindi naman dapat kung ano problema.
Don't think about the problem.
Yes, practically, ito problema ito. Kasi you will just magsaself-pity ka, and then you will feel defeated, and that will influence the way you live. Okay? Now let us come to other characteristics. Time bound, as I said, make sure that
Time na.
when you are
Time na.
last, make sure that
Time
you
bomb.
have sufficient
Time
time.
bomb.
Okay. Now, quickly na lang, because you also came late. It's not today, because I'm going to assign you already to submit your research title. So, for your research title, for your thesis, so we're